that?
It's a big truck.
I can't. Mommy, I have a bubble for me. Can you hold it?
Now let me hold it so you don't spill it, okay?
Get it? I got it.
You did. Good job. You caught your bubble.
Bubble.
Eat it. Oh no! Lillian. I didn't really mean eat it.
A milk. Mommy, a milk.
Yeah, you want some water? Is that all better? Don't eat it, okay?